Yes, this is amazing video quality selfie video. Yesterday we dropped the video of the exotics on the dyno, the cars and coffee, and me racing Brandon in the ZR1. So today will be a dedicated video of just me and the ZR1 for better search results in case people miss that good footage over looking up something else like cars and coffee or exotics on the dyno. And we will also make a different video of exotics on the dyno at Emerald Coast Motorsports for them and that little club, so they can have that video. But for now, this will be a ZR1 video, and I'll throw in all the footage that was blended in with that 25-minute video. Hope you enjoy. We'll hit them with the intro. Caleb, I'm delicate cargo. Oh yeah. Daily driver BMW. It smells like a daily driver BMW. It smells like crayons. All BMWs do. It's like a super quick. There's not much that sounds different about this Supra. Just love that screamer pipe. It's a famous selfie video. Again, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the like button if you like the video. We left the battery for the Canon at the house, so we couldn't film with our good camera, just the GoPro. But stay tuned for next time, because it'll come back bigger and better as always. See you later.